He mulls over the decision to change his career path. Eases curbs. The government eases curbs on international travel to boost tourism. Winding down. The factory is winding down its production before closing permanently. Disruption. The heavy rain caused a major disruption in train services. Purported video. A purported video of the incident is circulating on social media. Impending. Everyone is preparing for the impending storm. Shower. The trees shower the ground with colorful leaves in autumn. Auspicious. They chose an auspicious date for the wedding ceremony. Prosperity. Hard work and innovation are keys to national prosperity. Prevail. Justice will eventually prevail in this case. Easing. This new policy is aimed at easing the burden on small businesses. Kick-off. The festival will kick off with a grand parade on Saturday. Unveil. The company plans to unveil its new product next week. Asserted. He asserted that he was innocent of the charges. Expedite. We need to expedite the shipping process to meet the deadline. Magnanimous. It was magnanimous of him to forgive his enemies. Hails. The international community hails the peace agreement. Pinnacle. Reaching the summit was the pinnacle of his climbing career. Pastor. The pastor spoke to the congregation about kindness. Prevention of atrocities. The law focuses on the prevention of atrocities against vulnerable groups. Caste slurs. Using caste slurs is offensive and against the law. Profess. He does not profess to be an expert in this field. Bid. The company made a bid to acquire the smaller firm. Reparation. The country demanded reparation for the damages caused by the war. Sovereignty. The nation fought hard to protect its sovereignty. Aggression. The international community condemned the act of aggression. Assassinations. Political assassinations have destabilized the region. Charred to death. The house was empty, but the furniture was charred to death in the fire. Tipper lorry. The construction worker loaded sand into the tipper lorry. Veering. The motorcycle was veering sharply to avoid the pedestrian. Unanimously. The committee voted unanimously to approve the project. Feared dead. 2 sailors are feared dead after their boat capsized. Avalanche. The rescue team searched for survivors after the avalanche. Train of passenger vehicles. A long train of passenger vehicles lined the highway. Compel. Hunger may compel people to search for food in the forest. Nonchalant. He gave a nonchalant shrug as if the news didn't matter. Portrayed. The movie portrayed the historical figure as a complex hero. Defamatory. The newspaper was sued for printing defamatory articles. Spectators. Thousands of spectators gathered to watch the game. Reiterated. The teacher reiterated the importance of doing homework. Perceived. The problem is not as bad as it is perceived to be. Amidst. She stood silently amidst the bustling crowd. Minuscule. The error in the calculation was minuscule. Resilient. Children are often more resilient than adults in difficult situations. Envisage. I can envisage a future where technology solves all energy problems. Arson. The police are investigating the fire as a case of arson. Disarray. After the party, the living room was in complete disarray. Imploding. The company is imploding due to internal management conflicts. Veiled dig. His comment was a veiled dig at his rival's recent failure. Patting their own backs. Politicians are often seen patting their own backs after any minor success. Appealing. The offer of a flexible work schedule is very appealing. Hideouts. The fugitives were hiding in remote mountain hideouts. Culpable homicide. The driver was charged with culpable homicide for his reckless driving. Lethal. The snake's venom is highly lethal. Struck. The earthquake struck the city early in the morning. Volley of rockets. The rebels fired a volley of rockets at the base. Erratic. His performance has been erratic throughout the season. Elapsed. 5 years have elapsed since they last met. Severity. The doctor explained the severity of the patient's condition. Oh, I think I owe you an apology for my behavior. Complicit. The manager was complicit in the cover-up of the accounting errors. Juggernaut. The team has become a sporting juggernaut this year. Jibes. She ignored his petty jibes and focused on her work. Last rites. The family gathered for the last rites of their grandfather. Funeral. Many friends attended the funeral to pay their respects. Crematorium. The body was taken to the local crematorium. Demise. The industry's demise was caused by new competition. Retorted. I didn't forget. I chose not to, she retorted. Eve. The city was quiet on the eve of the national holiday. Intimidation. The worker reported intimidation by his supervisor. Round the clock. The emergency room offers round-the-clock medical care. Vulnerable. The elderly are particularly vulnerable during heat waves. Disillusioned. She became disillusioned with her job after months of stress. Necessitated. The bad weather necessitated a change in our travel plans. Outrageous. The price they charged for a glass of water was outrageous. Disparaging. He should apologize for his disparaging remarks about her family. Concoct. The children love to concoct new games in the garden. Jibe. He took a final jab at the opponent before leaving the stage. Deceive. It is wrong to deceive people for personal gain. Uproar. The announcement of the new taxes caused an uproar. Purge. The new management plans to purge the company of inefficient practices. Extremely oppressive. The employees complained about the extremely oppressive working conditions. Erupt. The long-standing conflict finally threatened to erupt into violence. Stall. The negotiations began to stall after the main representatives left. Cater. They have a professional team to cater to large events. Struck off. The student's name was struck off the roll due to lack of attendance. Brazen attempt. It was a brazen attempt to steal from the store in broad daylight. Browbeat. He tried to browbeat the witnesses into changing their stories. Captivity. After years of captivity, the animal was finally released into the wild. Pelted. The children pelted each other with snowballs. Well past midnight. They talked until well past midnight. Miscreants. The police are looking for the miscreants who damaged the park. Deem. We deem it necessary to take immediate action. Sought to scuttle. The opposition party sought to scuttle the new legislative bill. Deprecated. The old method is now deprecated in favor of newer technology. Highly deplorable. The condition of the public toilets was highly deplorable. Redundant. The new software made the old manual entry process redundant. Scrapped. The plan to build a new road was scrapped due to lack of funds. Reconvening. The board is reconvening on Monday to finalize the deal. Misery. The war brought untold misery to the civilian population. Disenfranchisement. The new laws led to the systematic disenfranchisement of minority voters. Deplete. Excessive fishing will eventually deplete the ocean's resources. Perennial. They have a perennial disagreement about how to decorate the house. Deteriorated. The quality of the road has deteriorated over the last few years. Deter. The presence of security cameras should deter potential thieves. On the banks of river. They built a small hut on the banks of river. Truce. The two warring factions signed a temporary truce. Pit. The children dug a deep pit in the sand. Bereaved. We sent flowers to the bereaved family. Pave. This discovery will pave the way for a new cure. Inalienable. Freedom of speech is an inalienable right in many democracies. Meager. They survived on a meager diet during the famine. Commuters. The trains were crowded with commuters heading to work. Cleric. The local cleric led the prayer service. Cutting across the party lines. The bill was supported by members cutting across the party lines. Whereabouts. The police are investigating the current whereabouts of the suspect.